Hello kids, welcome back. Okay, what we are going to do, we are going to create a small chimney today. Okay, how we are going to do that? We need a cut in our roof. This is our roof. Okay, I'm just going to cut a small piece that should be half centimeter on each side. My chimney size is half centimeter and I need a little bigger size. Okay, so if it is a little bigger size than half centimeter, so my chimney would fit in there. So I'm going to take the ruler, make a small cut, like that, like that, like that. Okay, and here we have, I've made my cut. And this piece is going out. So I have made the hole for the chimney. Alright, so now we want a chimney that would fit inside. The thing that is going to fit inside is to half centimeter. So I have to put marks on half centimeter. I can use my ruler which has half centimeter on both sides. So my marks are, okay, this is the centimeter side. I'm going to put the marks on both of sides of my ruler. So I have put the marks from 0, half centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 2.5 centimeters on both sides. Now I am going to draw straight lines on it. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I am just going to put small scores just because I need folds. Try to stay straight as much as you can. Don't cut it. And the last one I want to cut. So it is cut, you can see that. Now I just want a small, not too big. I'm just going to cut it. Okay, here we have. So now I'm going to fold my chimney like this. Okay, and you will see that it would fit exactly inside. So my house is ready, and this is how my chimney would look. in my house. I just need a small piece outside, and here we have it's ready. Okay, here we have. When I'm going to glue it, it is going to be glued straight. Okay, now next thing we want is something going on the top. I need a small piece. Try to make it square. Okay, this is a square small piece here. So next thing I want to do, I want to cut from the center to one side in the corner. Okay, I'm just going to put my ruler here. Always cut with the help of ruler, don't do it without the ruler. Here you have, you can see this is small cut here. Now I am going to bring this cut near so they overlap with each other, and it will make a triangle type shape like this. Okay, you just have to overlap these two where you cut it. Okay, now glue it. And hold it tight for a while. Let it dry for a while. Okay, so it is something like a triangle cap, you can see. Okay, after it is dry, I'm going to cut the extra parts, and if you want it round, you can just use the scissors and cut the corners, the pointy corners in round shape. Okay, so it is ready to go on top of my chimney. I am not going to glue it yet, okay, because I need to do some things more before I am going to use this. Okay, so it is going in top of my chimney like this, and it will make your chimney. Bye bye now.